Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 as well as Windows 10 slow performance issue after Windows update. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all go to your file explorer, and after doing this go to your C drive, and after doing this step go to your Windows and find out a Windows software distribution. Now here is a software distribution. Open it and delete all file and folders. After closing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that first of all right click on a start menu and go to your task manager. After opening the task manager, go to your starter, and after doing this that if you're to see that any unnecessary apps is unable, then disable it one by one. So after disable it, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt. Right click run as administrator. After opening the dat, first of all firstly type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. It's required of a few minutes to complete this process. Now you can see that it show a message is there is a system a repair pending, which is required to reboot your computer to restart your computer. So after restarting your computer you can try and type a command is sfc and space slash scan now, and after doing this that I hope your problem is fixed. Type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoots, click on other troubleshooters, and after that run the Windows update. It's required for a few minutes to complete this process. After completing the process, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.